not even surprising anymore when actors try to hide their love affair behind the just friends tag or shy away completely from talking about the relationship. Take for instance Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone. We have all been hearing all sorts of dating rumors about them since forever now, and it is in fact no news that this celebrity couple is madly in love. But have they ever made an official statement about it? No, never. But not anymore. It so happened that at the late night party that Karan Johar hosted a lavish bash for the infamous French fashion designer Christian Louboutin, who is currently in India, and much to our surprise, boyfriend Ranveer drove Deepika all the way to Karan's residence in Bandra. Now, isn't that so romantic? Isn't it? I mean, seriously, when was the last time you saw Ranveer drive the car for his lady love? Not really. Is it a sweet gesture but also an open indication that both these lovebirds are making their relationship official without even saying a word? Well, same goes for Sidharth, Malhotra and Alia Bhatt. Like a doting boyfriend, Sid drove Alia and her best friend Anushka Ranjan to the party, and we found that super cute. Looks like Alia's close friends and family are way too fond of her boyfriend. Both Sid and Alia have denied their relationships on various platforms in numerous interviews and chat shows. But not anymore. They have now been making frequent appearances together at various award shows and parties, sometimes even holding hands openly, professing their love for each other to the world. And Karan Johar's party was no exception to that. These Bollywood studs were at their chivalrous best at Karan Johar's party as they drove their girlfriends to the venue, and we are totally assuming that this is their way of telling the world that they are in love. Talking about the party, let me tell you, this was one outstanding party from Malaika Arora, Kareena Kapoor Khan, Sonakshi Sinha, Jacqueline Fernandez, Shah Rukh Khan, Sushant Singh Rajput and Janhvi Kapoor. The who's who of Bollywood added the much needed oomph to this starry party.